Welcome, here I've got REALME 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change volume button function in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. The volume buttons at this device are here, so let me try to tap on this now to see how it works with the camera. And as you can see now, by using them I can easily take a picture. To change its function, let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to 3 other buttons we can manage. Now let's pick this one from the right so we can open the advanced camera settings. At the first place we have here volume button function, so when we tap on this we can change it. We can pick from volume, shutter, which is now, or zoom. Now let me change this to zoom to see how it works different. Let's go back to the camera and let me try to use these buttons once again. As you can see, I can easily get closer now to my subject, so I can use zoom and go back also. So this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.